Aisyah binti Maharun Fazmi, metric number 86250 from lecture group 5, supervised by Dr. Fazimah. The aquatic organism that I choose is crab. The scientific name for the crab is Portunus pelagius. The local in Malaysia, they call it flower crab, or in Malay we call it as ketam bunga. Flower crab is one of the benthic animals that can be found at muddy bottom of shallow coastal water, and they also can be found at the seabed. There is a tip for us to differentiate between female and male flower crab. As you can see from the table, there are three main characteristics that allow us to differentiate male and female flower crab. For male, they usually have dark blue-green color for their carapace, while the female have dull green-brown color for their carapace. The color of chelipeds for male, they're usually purple to blue color, while the female, they have red-tipped chelipeds. And then the last characteristic is the shape or the size of the abdomen. For male, they usually have narrower abdomen, while the female, they have rounder abdomen. So this is the pictures of male flower crab and also female flower crab. As you can see here, for male flower crab, the carapace is dark blue-green color. Carapace is the shell on their body, and then for the chelipeds, the claw area, they have purple to almost blue color. And then for the abdomen, male usually have narrower abdomen compared to female flower crab. They have rounder abdomen. And then for their chelipeds, which is their claw, as you can see here, it is red tip color, and then their carapace is dull green, almost that sometimes it kind of look brown. There are three methods that we can use to catch flower crab. The first one is wedding, the second one is using traps, the third one is using hand line. The first one, which is wedding, we're gonna need a long handle net to scoop up the flower crab. This activity usually we do it along the shoreline, and then it is also carried out at night. The second method is using trap. This method, we're gonna need to use a bait. Usually, we use dried pony fish as the bait. So the trap will be placed along the coastline area to catch the flower crab. This method is the easiest and also the cheapest method to catch flower crab. The third method is using hand line. So basically for this method, we're gonna need a line, and that line will be tied to the boat or maybe tied to the jetty, and that line will be tossed into the water. Once it is tossed into the water, we can see the line will become tighter once the crab is caught. When the line becomes tight, we just need to pull up the line until we can see the crab. These are the pictures to show how each method is done. The first one is wading, which is you need to use a long handled net to scoop up the flower crab. And then the second method is using trap. You just put bait inside the trap and then you leave it for a few hours or a few minutes, and then you come back and you can see the crab is inside the trap. The third method is using hand line. This is how it usually done. You just need a line and then you tied it to the board, or maybe you tied it to the jetty. A few weeks ago, I went to a supermarket to see the flower crab that they have. So this is the image that I got from there. Flower crab is one of the healthy seafood choice. This is because their meat have a great source of vitamin B12, and they have high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. The macronutrients that contain in their meat can become the food source for us to obtain energy, and besides, they can also promote the development of muscle. The flower crab is rated as environmentally sustainable because they only need around 1 year to fully mature.
Hi everyone, my name is Cassandra Starina Narenia, and in this video I will share some information about crimson snapper. Crimson snapper, or more commonly known as ikan merah, is highly valued by commercial, recreational, and artisanal fishers. Based on its taxonomy, this fish comes from the Laganidae family. It also been given a scientific name, which is Lagenus erectropterus by Bloch in 1790. The scientific name was given based on its physical appearance. The crimson snapper has the shape similar to the red snapper, but its teeth are not as formidable. It can grow up to 79 cm in length and weigh up to 10 kg, although it is rare to see this size. These are the difference between crimson with other snapper species. In Malaysia, the crimson snapper is found in Sabah, Sarawak, and the South China Sea, as well as along the coastal roads of the west coast in Peninsula Malaysia. They are targeted by the fishermen and anglers due to their high market value and delicious taste. Based on my observation in the local market, the price of the fish is 27 ringgit per kg. The catching methods of this fish is depend on the purpose. If this fish is catch for commercial fishing, they will use like bottom trolling and large scale net fishing. But if this fish is used in a small scale and recreational, they will use a baited hook and line, jigs, and small trap. Overall, crimson snapper is a safe and sustainable source of food. Crimson snapper is high in protein, omega-3 fatty acid, and essential vitamins and minerals. Usually, in the local market, local fishing tends to have lower carbon footprint compared to the industrial fishing operations. This will make it safe for us to consume it. Since this fish can be consumed, there's a lot of ways and recipes have been created to enjoy this fish. With this information, I conclude my sharing about crimson snapper here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nivera Binti Franco. Here I want to present an aquatic organism that is shrimp. Shrimp is a type of animal that live in water and belong to the Dendrobrachiata branch. Nowadays, saltwater and freshwater shrimp are famous on a large scale in most countries. Shrimp is a general term for all types of shrimp. In Malaysia, there are several local names for shrimp, such as pond shrimp. Pond shrimps that are often raised in aquaculture pond usually refer to white-leg shrimp. The scientific name of this pond shrimp is white-leg shrimp called Lithopeneus benami. There are several fishing and fishing techniques to catch shrimp. Among them is a shrimp trap called a shrimp pot. The second trapping shrimp next hand assembly is hand picking. As for the market price of shrimp, it is often uncertain because the price of shrimp varies depending on several factors, including different species of shrimp, size of shrimp, fresh of shrimp location, and price of shrimp is also based on kilograms. Shrimp can be a safe and sustainable food source. Shrimp from reputable sources and harvested following proper aquaculture practice are generally safe for consumption.
Hi, today I would like to present the aquatic organism that I choose, which is a squid. This is me looking for squid at Myanmar. This picture shows a squid. People often call this squid as sotong, meaning that it's a local name. While the scientific name is Teutida, this squid can also be found in nearshore water of the Gulf of Mine during summer. There are few methods for catching squid by using jigging and pokat. Other than that, the price of these squids I found at Aeon Mall is 3 ringgit and 69 cents for 100 gram. However, this can change according to the type, size, and weight of squid. Next, is it sustainable? Squid is sustainable because both predators and prey roaches are vital to the marine ecology. Also, squid feed other species, even larger ones, and consume a wide variety of ocean organisms. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vaishnavi, and for the last aquatic organism is the stingray. Stingray is a fish that share a close relationship with the shark, and it's known as ikan pari also.
Stingrays out here.
Are come from over 150
Wow.
different species, and it can be
All of a sudden the stingray bite just went crazy.
and freshwater. Actually, two types of
Ow.
technique for the stingray. The first one is fishing nets, which is gill nets, and the second one is hand lining. Usually the gill nets are made from the nylon rope, monofilament, multifilament, and monomultifilament. Hand lining method is known as a single fishing line with a baited hook. This hand lining method is usually used to catch the small stingrays. The price of a stingray is Rm690 per kg. These stingrays are known as amazing sea animals. There is a place which is famous for the stingrays, which is the Stingray City. Stingray City is most well-known location which are popular for the stingray ecotourism. On the other hand, stingrays are also a sustainable and secure food source. Humans from various countries in the world have consumed the stingray as their daily meal. For example, from Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and many more countries. That's all from us. Thank you.